Hey guys, this is Anil from Anilation. So guys, in this video we'll check some cool outstanding on-net customization apps, and all the links are given in the description below, so make sure you check it out then. And the like target for this video is 100 likes. So and I know you will guys do it. So let's get into the video after a short intro. The first app in our list is Creative App. It is an application that allows us to download everything related to Android, like super wallpapers, home screen, and ringtones and notification tones. And within this app, you can also add your favorite wallpapers or anything to the favorite section. Within this app, we can find thousands of wallpapers shared by users and exclusive wallpapers by Creative App, and you can find most of the famous ringtones and notification tones when you want notifications. And the main thing within this app is you can get thousands of configurations shared by users, and if you want to share your home screen setups, then also you can share within this app. So definitely try this app, and the link is given in the description below. Hey, you can change your wallpaper by just double tapping on your home screen with this app called Wallpaper Ninja. Guys, this app allows us to quickly change your wallpaper with just double tap on the home screen. Additionally, you can set a time automatically to change the wallpaper, or whenever your screen is turned on, the wallpaper change automatically. And the thing is, you need to add the wallpapers into the app, so whenever you change, the wallpaper will be changed. So definitely try this app, and the app link is given in the description below. And guys, before getting into the another app, so if you like my content, then please hit on the like button, and for more videos like this, then subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to all, so you will never miss another update from us. If you're bored by seeing your volume panel, then you need to download this volume style apps, and it is an app allows us to customize our phone's volume panel and slider, change the color, apply different themes such as iOS and MIUI, and change the position and more. And this app allows us to apply any style of your volume slider in just one tap, such as like Android 10, iOS 13, Xiaomi MIUI MI, and Samsung One UI 123, and Oxygen OS. Currently I'm using OnePlus, so I'm not choosing Oxygen OS, and Huawei EMUI, and like this. And also you can customize your own volume panel like this. And for this you need to download the Pro, but I don't recommend at all. So definitely try this app. Speaking of customization, KWGT widgets are the one of the best ways to elevate your home screen setup with minimal effort. To make this easier, I picked the best KWGT widgets for Android on the Play Store, and some of the paid and some of the free. The first one is Saturn for KWGT, and it's a free application which includes card-based widgets, and nearly 85 different widgets are available included in this app. So definitely try this, and it's a free application, and the link is given in the description below. And next we have Dusk for KWGT. This pack of widgets are based on pneumophobic design. At first the app contains only 25 widgets, but the developer consistently updating the app with the new widgets, and all the widgets will suit to a dark wallpaper and as well as a light wallpaper. So definitely try this app, and the app link is given in the description below. And guys, finally we have Zone Launcher. It is an app which allows us to open any app shortcut or activity from the swiping side of your screen. And the main concept of this app is, instead of using home screen to open apps or shortcuts, just simply swipe from screen and open your favorite app within this on the screen, no matter where you are. If you are opening Instagram or anything, just simply swipe from the left or right to open any app, and literally you can search any app with just swiping up and down. And after opening the app, you need to add your favorite app within the list. You can create custom list like social media apps, games, and productivity apps. So after adding the list, you can access from the anywhere of your screen. Just simply swipe left or right to open this, to launch this. And the main thing of this app is, it's a launcher but not replace your current launcher, Nova launcher or Homes any launcher. It just allows as a backup launcher. So definitely try this app, and the app link is given in the description below. And finally, our video is ended. Guys, if you like this video, then smash the like button, and for more content like this, then please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to all, and don't forget to comment your thoughts below. And also check out my Instagram profile for cool home screen setups, and also join in our Telegram group for exclusive wallpapers every day.